Welcome to Hammer Bowling's new Ratchet Ball introduction video. I'm Jeff Ussery, the Hammer brand manager. Hammer's new Ratchet uses our mirror plane asymmetric core with a density modification designed to lower the RG and raise the differential in this strong core system. With the changes to the numbers, the Ratchet gives Hammer bowlers a new asymmetric core motion in our product line. We've paired up this new core with a hybrid version of our GTR2 cover stock, originally used on the Taboo Dark Electric Blue and Silver. Ratchet is finished at 3000 grit Abralon for use on medium to medium heavy oil conditions. The Ratchet will be an incredible option for bowlers looking for a piece in between our Taboo and Arson series balls. Let's take a look at the Hammer video test team using the new Ratchet on Kegel's Main Street lane pattern. First up is Robert Flunder IV from Maumee, Ohio. Robert will first show a comparison with the brick from last season. For Robert, Ratchet is slightly stronger on this Main Street pattern. Robert's able to move 2 and 1 and get a sharper downlane recovery out of this 3000 grit finished cover stock. Jeremy Hunt is up next. Jeremy sees a controlled arc motion with the brick from last season. The change to a lower RG, higher differential core system shows up in Jeremy's shots. Jeremy gets far more continuation from the Ratchet with a stronger overall move. Jeremy's total move in the video set is 4 and 3 with the new Ratchet. Kim Mann from Wooster, Ohio is next to the lanes. For Kim's lower rev game, the brick was a very smooth, controlled motion in the back part of the lane. Ratchet gives her better continuation through the back end and the pin deck. With the Ratchet's stronger break point, Kim's actually able to throw the Ratchet farther away from the head pin and still see the return down lane. Sean Lee is up 4th in this video session. Notice how the Ratchet revs up down lane for Sean and gets through the deck with stronger directional change. With the cleaner front end and more responsive back end, Sean's able to use the Ratchet on a wider variety of lane conditions than last year's brick introduction. Les Mann is last to go. The brick was one of Les's favorite reactions from last season, with a strong mid lane and smoother back end movement. Ratchet gives him the perfect complement to open the lane up and create more angle through the back end. Ratchet's higher differential gives our lefty more overall hook than the brick from last season. For more information on Hammer, check out our website at hammerbowling.com, as well as our brand page on Facebook. Also connect with Hammer on Twitter at BowlHammer.